Thinking about your career? Volunteering might be the key to your success. Most people think volunteering is just about giving back. But did you know it can also boost your career? Volunteering helps you develop valuable skills that employers love. Leadership, communication, project management, and teamwork. Meet professionals, make connections, and expand your network, all while making a difference. Highlight your resume with impactful volunteer experiences. These experiences can demonstrate your commitment, leadership, and ability to work in a team. For example, led a team of 20 volunteers at a local charity event, showcasing your leadership and organizational skills. Or managed social media for a non-profit, increasing engagement by 50%, which highlights your digital marketing and communication abilities. You could also mention organized a community fundraising campaign, raising $10,000, demonstrating your fundraising and project management skills. Stand out to employers with real-world experience. These volunteer activities not only enrich your resume, but also show your dedication to making a positive impact in your community. Volunteering opens doors to new industries and offers a unique opportunity to broaden your horizons. Whether it's healthcare, education, or technology, you can explore different fields, discover your passion, and gain invaluable experience. This experience might not be available in your current job, but through volunteering you can build new skills, network with professionals, and even find a new career path that aligns with your interests and goals. Volunteering helps you build confidence, grow personally, and discover your potential. Imagine speaking confidently in front of groups, organizing events, or solving problems. It's all part of the journey. In Scene 7, we explored how volunteering can shape your career. We saw how giving back to the community can also give back to you in unexpected ways. Now let's dive into some real-world examples. These stories will illustrate how the skills and connections gained through volunteering can translate into professional success. Imagine Jane. She began as a volunteer coordinator, organizing events and managing teams of volunteers. Through her dedication and hard work, she honed her leadership and organizational skills. She now leads a successful marketing team. Her experience in volunteer coordination gave her the confidence and expertise needed to excel in her career. It's amazing how volunteer work can open doors and create new opportunities. The connections made and the skills developed can be invaluable. These stories remind us that with a bit of effort and passion, we can truly make a difference in our professional lives. Volunteering is not just about giving, it's also about growing. So next time you consider volunteering, remember Jane's story. Your journey could lead to unexpected and rewarding career advancements. Not only does volunteering benefit your career, but it also makes a positive impact on your community. Ready to volunteer? Start today and see where it takes you. Visit our website to find volunteer opportunities near you. The surprising benefits of volunteering are just a step away. Boost your career while making a difference. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more career tips and inspiration.